Hello, my friends. My name is Gabriel Nathan from 4MB3. I will explain what an application letter, order letter, and inquiry letter.
First, I will explain about application letter. A job application letter is a document sent alongside your resume. When applying for a job, it serves a personal introduction and helps to sell your application. Remember, the job application letter should be concise to the point and no longer than one page. It's your chance to make a strong first impression. So be sure to tailor it to the job and company you're applying for. Next, application letter purpose. Application letter is used to apply for a job. The main purpose of an application letter is to introduce yourself to the company that is hiring and demonstrate your interest and qualification of the position being offered. An application letter can also be used to highlight relevant experience and skills that make you a strong candidate. Okay, next, structure application letter. First, letter header, salutation, introduce, opening paragraph, body paragraph, closing paragraph, and signature. How to write a correct application letter? First, understanding the job, use correct and proper, introduce yourself, mention the company name, express interest and qualification, avoid repetition from your CV. Tips for writing an application letter. First, research the company, follow a professional format, address the hiring manager, be concise, highlight relevant skills, provide example, show enthusiasm, proofread. Use a strong closing and professional sign-off. The last, what should be and what should not be in an application letter. Do's. Customize your letter. Focus on the employers. Be professional. Proofread. Use keywords. Keep it concise. Show achievements, experience, enthusiasm, and last, include contact information. And don'ts. Don't use generic salutation. Don't be vague. Don't repeat your resume. Don't focus on yourself. Don't mention salary of benefit. Don't include irrelevant information. Don't appear desperate. Don't forget to follow up.
A few moments later.
Okay, the next presentation, order letter. Order letter. An order letter is a letter ordering goods from a buyer to a seller when someone has found something they want to buy. Purpose. The purpose of making an order letter is to order goods or service from a company, agency, again get in the provision of goods. This letter concise detail about the goods to be ordered, including quantity, size, price, and others. Order letter also include information about payment methods, delivery dates, and delivery location. Structure in a order letter: 1. Sender's address. 2. Date. 3. Receiver's address. 4. Subject. 5. Salutation. 6. Body. 7. Closing. 8. Signature and name of the sender. Tips for writing order letters. First, clear and concise subject line. 2. Complete contact information. 3. Recipient information for introduction. 5. Order details. 6. Price and payment terms. 7. Delivery information. 8. Additional instructions or requests. 9. Express gratitude. 10. Closing. Close the letter with a professional closing. 11. Proofread. 12. Follow up, which should not be in the order letter. When writing an order letter, there are several things that should be avoided, including information and rude language, inaccurate or misleading information, unclear or incomplete details, irrelevant personal information, spelling and grammar mistakes, unaccountable statements, use of inappropriate emojis or symbols. The language used in writing order letter. When writing an order letter, use formal, clear and polite language. Here are some tips regarding the language used in writing order letters. Use formal language, explain clearly, avoid using unfamiliar abbreviations or acronyms. Use relevant terms. Use positive phrases, polite and friendly. Check spelling and grammar. Use active sentence. Avoid using overly technical language. Last, use language the recipient can understand. Fill in the order letter. An order letter usually contains the following important elements. Letterhead. This contains information about the company creating the letter, such as company name, address, telephone number, and email. The date the letter was written. 3. Destination address. Information about the company or individual to whom the letter is addressed. Opening usually contain greetings and brief introduction. Body of letter. Here you will write details about your order. This may include the types of product or service you ordered, the quantity, price per unit, and total cost. Closing usually contains a thank you note, information about payment and shopping, and a request for order confirmation. Signature. Name and signature of the person who wrote the letter. And last, estimates, if any. Additional documents that may be required, such as product specification or further details about the order. Example of an order letter. Next, explain about inquiry letter. Definition: inquiry letter is a type of letter used to ask a question or request certain information from a company or other organization. Usually, this letter is sent by business people or individuals. Objective: confirming the number of requests for goods and service. Inquiry letter can be used to find out the number of product and service available during a certain period. Obtain financial information. By sending an inquiry letter, you can request information about a potential customer's financial situation, which help in setting the price of the product. Apply for credit. This letter is useful for confirming potential credits, discounts, transit, and packing related to the product. Review risk. Inquiry letter period an opportunity to ask about the risks of a sales or credit transaction. Assess the prospective buy. With this letter, you can learn the integrity and values of the prospective buyer. Studying cooperation. Inquiry letters are used to understand the relationship between companies, communities, and their associations. Increase sales by evaluating the financial potential and business viability of the companies. You can increase sales. Letter writing tips. First, review goodliness. Before sending a question letter, be sure to review whether the company or organization you are asking question about has specific guidelines regarding this letter. These guidelines can help you understand the expected format and ensure and opportunities of your letter. Document correction. Before sending letter, always check and provide your document. Look for and correct any grammatical or production error that may X a letter. What is free of errors will give the impression of being professional and serious. Describe the company or program clearly. Clearly describes the company or program you are asking question about. Include relevant information so that the recipient of the letter can understand the next of your question. Last, make it concise. Inquiry letter should be short and to the point. Avoid repetition and unnecessary details. The reception of the letter will appreciate the efficacy of your communication. Example of inquiry letter.
That's my explain about application letter, order letter, and inquire later. Thank you.